Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best hot water thermostat is probably one of the most overlooked components in your home, but it plays a crucial role in your comfort, energy efficiency, and the longevity of your water heater. Today, we will dive deep into the world of hot water heater thermostats, exploring different types, features, and factors to consider when choosing the perfect one for your needs, ensuring you get the most out of your hot water system and save money on your energy bills. Number 5. EWH01 Water Heater Tune-Up Kit. This kit will help you easily maintain your water heater. It includes everything you need for a complete tune-up. It features two 4500W, 240V copper heating elements. These elements are designed for long life and compatibility with most water heaters. The kit also contains two thermostats, one upper and one lower. They are designed to be interchangeable and durable. The heating elements have a chromed coating for extra durability and a longer lifespan. This will save you money in the long run. This kit is compatible with most major water heater brands and models, including Rheem, Smith, and more. It fits most water heaters over 30 gallons. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This kit comes with two thermostats and two heating elements, perfect for a complete water heater tune-up. It's compatible with most major brands, saving you the hassle of finding specific parts. If you need a comprehensive solution for your dual-element water heater, this is the one for you. What people say. The elements are an inch or two longer than the originals, which allows more heating element surface area, allowing for slightly faster heating. Fit and worked perfect, just had to increase the temp higher from what was originally installed. This kit kept my hot water heater in action. The old T-stats gave up and water was scalding hot one day and freezing cold the next. The replacement T-stats don't have exactly the same frame as the OEM part on my Smith hot water heater, but they are close enough to make for an easy, and workable, exchange. Number 4. GE 10-gallon electric water heater. This innovative water heater is designed for easy installation and versatile use. It's perfect for various settings, from homes to RVs. Installation takes only minutes, utilizing your existing plumbing. It connects easily to a standard 120-volt supply. Its compact design makes it ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or any space where you need hot water. It saves you valuable space. Enjoy peace of mind with our 8-year limited warranty on parts and tank, plus a 1-year labor warranty. It's built to last. Use it as a standalone unit or to boost your existing system for faster hot water. Ideal for longer plumbing runs or appliances. Easily adjust the temperature to your exact preference with its adjustable thermostat. Get the perfect hot water temperature every time. It features a stainless steel heating element and an anode rod for long-lasting protection against corrosion. It's built to withstand the test of time. What we like. It boasts a compact and easy installation process, fitting in tight spaces. You can easily adjust the temperature to your preference. If you're looking for a convenient and space-saving solution for smaller spaces or supplemental heating, this is a great choice. What people say. Straightforward installation. No problems or surprises. Quality is good and it works wonderfully. Zero issues with the install. It's the perfect size for under my sink in my hair salon. It gets very hot and my clients love that I have hot water through their entire shampoo and conditioning process. Number 3. Robertshaw 110-326 Thermostat. This is the Robertshaw 110-326 water heater thermostat, designed for optimal performance and reliability. It's easy to install and will keep your water at the perfect temperature. It features a 1 to 3/8-inch shank, ensuring a secure and stable fit in your water heater. This precise fit guarantees reliable temperature control. This thermostat is specifically designed for natural gas water heaters. Make sure it's the right type for your system before installation. With a 3 to 1 2-inch water column, it offers precise temperature regulation. This ensures consistent hot water for your home. It's designed for straightforward installation, saving you time and effort. However, always consult your water heater's manual for specific instructions. Experience consistent and reliable hot water temperature thanks to its precise design and durable construction. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's built to last. What we like. This thermostat is designed for natural gas water heaters and is a straightforward replacement. It comes from a trusted brand, ensuring quality and reliability. If you need a simple, reliable replacement for your natural gas water heater, this is a perfect option. What people say. Got it fast, had it installed and works great. If you have an older camper and this unit fails, here is where to get it. This repaired my hot water heater and was of high quality. After replacing the valve and thermostat, I now have consistent hot water. Now I hope I can get several more years out of the tank. Number 2. Reliance 9001954-045 thermostat. This upper electric thermostat is designed for electric water heaters, adding value and efficiency to your home. It's easy to install and use, making it a perfect choice for any homeowner. It features an ECO setting, helping you save energy and money on your water heating bills. This contributes to a smaller carbon footprint. Manufactured in China, it's built to last with high-quality materials and construction. You can trust it for reliable performance. Its upper position makes it easy to access and install. The clear instructions make setup a breeze. It's designed for simple operation, allowing you to easily adjust the temperature to your preference. Enjoy consistent hot water without the hassle. This thermostat is compatible with 240V systems. It's the perfect upgrade for your electric water heater. What we like. This upper thermostat includes an ECO feature for energy savings and is specifically designed for the upper position in your water heater. It offers great value for your money. If you're on a budget and need a reliable upper thermostat with energy-saving features, this is a smart choice. What people say. Our water heater's upper electric water heater thermostat had WH10A printed on it, so this appeared to be and was the exact replacement part. Sears, Westinghouse, State Select, and many other brands use this as the upper thermostat, and a part labeled WH9 or WH9-6D for the lower thermostat. WH10A operation electrifies the upper heating element until the set water temperature is reached, then transfers all power to the bottom thermostat and element. Fit my A.O. Smith 50-gallon water heater tank perfectly. Number 1. Reliance 100-109136 Repair Pack. This is the Reliance 100-109136 Electric Water Heater Plumber Repair Pack. It's designed to make repairs quick and easy. The pack includes one upper thermostat and a chrome set. Everything you need for a complete repair. It's simple to install, even a novice can handle it. Just follow the instructions and you'll be done in no time. These are high-quality replacement parts, ensuring a long-lasting repair. You can trust it to get the job done right. It's compact for easy storage. The package measures 5.84 inches in length, 17.65 inches in width, and 43.05 inches in height. This product is manufactured in China. It meets high standards for quality and reliability. What we like. This plumber's pack includes everything you need for a complete repair, saving you time and effort. The chrome finish adds a touch of style. If you're a professional plumber or DIY enthusiast looking for a comprehensive repair kit, this is the ideal solution. What people say. This was everything I expected it to be. It fit my water heater perfectly and the parts are super easy to replace. Just turn off your cold water valve going into water heater, turn off power to tank, drain tank, replace parts, fill water before turning power back on and you'll be good. This kit was a pretty easy install on my 20-year-old Reliance 501. It fixed the problem I was having with resets, and gave me a lot of confidence going forward. Much better than paying a plumber to replace the entire unit. The kit was an exact fit. It took me less than 15 minutes to replace the old thermostat and elements. It took much longer to drain the tank. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.